corazón, la la la. Canta la la la, canta la la la,
Hey boys, I know what you're here for. You all are here because your edits are on their deathbed, and you need good quality clips to save your channel from becoming... In this video, I will show you 3 places on YouTube where you will find the best videos and clips for your edits in 4K. Each place will be different. There will be an anime place, a football place, and a movies place. Let me cook. To all of the people who watch this video to the end and don't have TikTok brain, thank you so much. Consider liking and subscribing to my channel as it helped me a lot.